Multiply 48.15 by 24 using long multiplication. For now, ignore the decimal points. Start with the rightmost digit of the bottom factor, 4. 4 times 5 is 20. Put 0 in this column and carry 2. 4 times 1 plus the carried 2 is 6. 4 times 8 is 32. Put 2 in this column and carry 3. 4 times 4 plus the carried 3 is 19. The first partial product is 19,260. Now use the next digit to the left, 2. Start one place to the left. 2 times 5 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. 2 times 1 plus the carried 1 is 3. 2 times 8 is 16. Put 6 in this column and carry 1. 2 times 4 plus the carried 1 is 9. The second partial product is 96,300. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 0 plus 0 is 0. In the tens column, 6 plus 0 is 6. In the hundreds column, 2 plus 3 is 5. In the thousands column, 9 plus 6 is 15. Put 5 in this column and carry 1. In the 10,000s column, 1 plus 9 plus the carried 1 is 11. Put 1 in this column and carry 1. In the 100,000s column, the carried 1 is 1. The product of the whole numbers is 115,560. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 2 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 2 decimal places. Place the decimal point 2 places from the right. 115,560 becomes 1,155.60. That is simply 1,155.6. So 48.15 times 24 is 1,155.6.